Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a robot cook for you? A robot that can prepare your meals, serve them, and even clean up afterward? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. The future of cooking is here, and it's all thanks to the incredible advances in robotics. Today, we'll dive into the world of cooking robots, and trust me, you'll be amazed by what they can do. A new age of cooking, the robot chef. Imagine walking into a restaurant and seeing a robot working its way around the kitchen, flipping pancakes, stirring soup, and even asking customers about their preferred seasoning. Well, that's exactly what a $5,000 robot, the Motoman SDA-10, is doing, developed by the Japanese company Toyota. This robot is changing how we think about cooking. The Motoman SDA-10 is a humanoid robot with 2 mechanical arms. Each arm has 7 joints, giving it the ability to move just like a human. The robot can mix ingredients, flip pancakes, and even ask customers about their sauce preferences. While it might not yet have legs, it's still able to perform a range of tasks that would normally require a human. Watching it work is truly a sight to behold, and it's one of the first robots to show such skill in the kitchen. But this robot isn't just for pancakes. It's part of a growing trend in the food industry, where robots are being used to automate kitchen tasks and even entire restaurants. This isn't just for show. It's addressing real-world problems like labor shortages, and it's revolutionizing how food is prepared and served. The future of noodles and more, robotic kitchens. If you think a robot flipping pancakes is impressive, wait until you hear about a fully automated noodle shop in Japan. Developed by a startup called Connected Robotics, this robotic kitchen can cook up traditional Japanese dishes like noodles and ramen. Not only does the robot cook the food, but it can also handle the payment and clean up afterward. In a busy train station in Japan, this robot can prepare up to 40 portions of noodles per hour. It uses machine vision and deep learning technology to carefully handle ingredients and monitor the cooking process. By taking over the tedious tasks of food preparation, robots like these are helping to reduce the burden on restaurant staff, making the service more efficient and faster. It's clear that robots are not only efficient in the kitchen, but they can also improve the overall dining experience. A competition among culinary robots. As robots become more advanced, they are being tested against human chefs to see just how well they can perform in a kitchen. Culinary blogger Nick Diovani held a competition to see how robots stacked up against human chefs. The results were eye-opening. One robot, named Neo from 1X Technologies, stood out above the rest. Equipped with 2 manipulators that mimic human hand movements, Neo can chop, mix, and cook ingredients with precision. The Neo robot can operate autonomously for up to 4 hours, learning and improving its skills over time. What's incredible is that Neo is designed to be as strong and gentle as a human, thanks to its muscle-like anatomy. This means it can handle delicate ingredients without crushing them, and it can learn from its mistakes to become more efficient. Imagine walking into a restaurant and being served by a robot that knows exactly what you want every time. Neo could one day be your go-to chef, and who knows, it might even take over some of your favorite restaurants. Robots in cafes, a taste of the future. It's not just kitchens that are getting a robotic makeover. Cafes are getting in on the action, too. In Singapore, the world's first fully robotized cafe, Ratio Cafe and Lounge, has opened. Here, customers can order a drink from a menu that features everything from coffee and cocktails to tea. The drinks are then prepared by robotic arms that ensure consistency and high quality every time. The robots in this cafe can mix and serve drinks with precision, making the process quicker and more efficient. Plus, there's no need to worry about the robots getting tired or making mistakes. The cafe's robotic arms can even prepare up to 50 different drinks, making it a perfect spot for those looking to experience cutting-edge technology while enjoying a delicious beverage. In Japan, a similar cafe experience is happening with a robot named Sawyer. This robot can prepare coffee in just a few minutes and can even make up to 5 cups at once. Although the process slows down slightly when making multiple cups, Sawyer still provides a speedy and efficient service. These cafes show how robots are transforming not just kitchens, but the entire service experience in food establishments. From pizza to pasta, robots making your favorite dishes. Not all robots are just for drinks and noodles. Some are taking on the role of an entire chef, preparing full meals in a matter of minutes. In Italy, Da Vinci Kitchen's robotic kiosk is able to prepare pasta in just 6 minutes and more complex dishes in up to 10 minutes. The device can cook 2 portions simultaneously, which means faster meal service and less waiting time. And if pizza is your thing, robots are taking over pizzerias too. A startup called PZY Robotics has created a robotic pizza maker that can prepare up to 100 pizzas per hour. The entire pizza making process is automated, from kneading the dough to baking and serving the pizza. This allows pizzerias to serve large crowds quickly without sacrificing quality. What's impressive is that these robots don't just cook, they also use advanced algorithms to track inventory and schedule cooking times, ensuring that every meal is made on time and with the freshest ingredients. The future of fast food is here, and it's robotic. The robot revolution, from fries to steaks. As robots become more advanced, their role in commercial kitchens is expanding. Miso Robotics, an American company, has introduced a robot named Flippy. This robot is designed to take over the labor-intensive tasks in a kitchen, like frying French fries and chicken wings. With its computer vision and AI, Flippy can identify ingredients and cook them to perfection, making it an invaluable addition to any fast food joint. Flippy 2, the latest version of this robot, is even more efficient. It's compact, takes up less space, and requires less maintenance. The robot can even manage temperature settings, ensuring that food is neither undercooked nor overcooked. With robots like Flippy, the kitchen of the future is becoming more automated, reducing human error and increasing the speed of service. Even in high-end restaurants, robots are making a name for themselves. A new robotic system called Bistro can prepare up to 45 dishes per hour, handling everything from pasta to steaks. Equipped with 12 containers for liquids and 23 for solid ingredients, Bistro can mix, cook, and serve dishes according to pre-programmed recipes. This reduces labor costs, food waste, and even the risk of contamination. We are on the brink of a revolution in the food industry, and robots are leading the charge. From flipping pancakes and brewing coffee to preparing gourmet meals, robots are becoming essential in kitchens and restaurants around the world. They're making food preparation faster, more efficient, and even more precise. Whether it's a noodle shop, a pizza place, or a high-end restaurant, robots are helping to shape the future of dining. The question is, how will this impact us? With robots cooking meals, could we see better, faster, and more personalized dining experiences? What will happen to human chefs? The future is exciting, and it's clear that robots will play a huge role in it. So, what do you think? Would you visit a restaurant where robots prepare and serve your food? Would you trust a robot to cook your meals? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video interesting and want to see more cool innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates on the amazing world of technology and robotics.